Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular platforms in the personal finance today, NerdWallet and Credit Karma. But which one is the right one for you? In this video, I'm diving deep into a side-by-side comparison that covers everything from credit tracking to budgeting loans, loan recommendations, pricing, and lots more. By the end, you know exactly which platform suits your goals in 2025 or whether an alternative might be a better fit. So let's dive right in. First up, we talk about NerdWallet. NerdWallet began back in 2009 as a credit card comparison tool, but today it's so much more. Think of it as your personal finance consultant that is always available, always free. The platform offers comprehensive financial guidance, from choosing the right mortgage to understanding your credit score, budgeting, insurance, investing, and even student loans. When you visit their homepage, you see tools and calculators that help users make informed decisions. You can compare financial products like credit cards based on your credit profile, personal and home loans, high-yield savings, travel and business credit cards. It also tailors its content to user goals. So whether you're trying to pay out debt, you're trying to build credit, or you're buying a home, you find something for you. What makes NerdWallet special is its commitment to education. Their blog and articles are packed with financial tips that are explained in plain English, not just technical jargon. Now let's talk about Credit Karma. Credit Karma was launched in 2007 and now owned by Intuit, the same company behind TurboTax and QuickBooks. Credit Karma started with a simple idea: to let people access their credit scores for free, no strings attached. Today, it offers a full suite of personal finance tools, including free credit reports from TransUnion and Equifax, real-time credit monitoring and alerts, personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans, free tax filing for federal and state returns, and unclaimed money discovery. Credit Karma's interface feels more like a dashboard for your financial life. When you create an account and you log in, you would see your credit score right when you log in. You can track credit usage, you can see your payment history, and you can see exactly what's helping or hurting your score, as the case may be. What's different in overview? NerdWallet feels like a financial research assistant, while Credit Karma feels more like a credit health dashboard with automation and updates that are built in. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with NerdWallet. Credit score access. They offer Vantage score tracking via TransUnion, and it is updated weekly. Budgeting and network tools. You can link your bank account, track spending, set saving goals, and even monitor your net worth over time. Product comparisons. You can see side-by-side comparison for credit cards, for loans, auto insurance, and more that are tailored to your credit score and financial goals. Mortgage loan calculators. You can use the inbuilt tools to estimate monthly payments, debt payoff timelines, or compare mortgage options. Content library. They offer thousands of articles, calculators, and how-to guides that are written by financial experts. Let's hop onto the features of Credit Karma. Free credit scores from Equifax and TransUnion. It is updated weekly and is complete with score breakdowns and influencing factors. Credit monitoring. Real-time alerts if anything changes in your credit reports, like your new account, inquiry, or missed payments. Pre-qualified financial offers. Credit Karma scans your profile and shows offers you're likely to be approved for, reducing chances of rejection. Tax filing. Unlike NerdWallet, Credit Karma lets you file taxes for free through their Credit Karma system, available for federal and state returns. Unclaimed money search. They'll even check if you're owed money from old utility accounts or unclaimed property. Vehicle and auto loan tracker. For car owners, Credit Karma can track the value of your vehicle and loan balance. Now let us talk about the pricing. This one's easy. Both NerdWallet and Credit Karma are 100% free. There are no hidden fees or premium tiers. Both make money through affiliate marketing, which is when you apply for a card or a loan through their recommendations, they may earn a commission through that. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with NerdWallet, the pros. Clean, professional design. It is great for research and learning. Excellent loan and credit card comparison tools, and it is highly customizable. There are tools and calculators that you can use. What are the pros of using Credit Karma? Free accurate credit scores from 2 bureaus. Instant alerts for changes in your reports. Free federal and state tax filing. Personalized recommendations with pre-qualification insights. And they track auto loans and unclaimed money. How about the cons? We start with NerdWallet. They don't offer full credit reports or as frequent updates. No tax filing support. Some tools require account linking, which may deter privacy-conscious users. And the cons of Credit Karma? Less educational content than NerdWallet. Product suggestions may seem salesy or overly frequent. And it doesn't really support saving goals or deep budgeting. So here's the conclusion. In 2025, which of this platform best suits you really depends on what you're looking for. If you want deep financial education, robust product comparisons, and budgeting tools that grow with you, NerdWallet is your best bet. It's ideal for long-term planning and decision making. But if your focus is on credit health, real-time alerts, and getting personalized recommendations, or even filing your taxes for free, Credit Karma takes the lead. A smart strategy? Use both. You can use NerdWallet to plan, while you use Credit Karma to track and monitor. There's no reason you can leverage the strengths of both platforms together. And that's it on the comparison of NerdWallet and Credit Karma. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mint, YNAB, and Empower. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.